Good evening, you're watching N1's English Language News. I'm Orsha Film, thanks for joining us. A new shipment of coronavirus vaccine containing 70,000 doses arrived in Hungary. The second consignment will be sufficient to inoculate 35,000 healthcare workers. The aircraft carrying the vaccines landed at Liszt Ferenc International Airport early Wednesday morning, and then the cargo was sorted at a logistics center in Vecsés, from where the vaccines were sent to the vaccination points. The number of vaccination points has increased. Currently, vaccination is available in 21 hospitals. Next week, another shipment of coronavirus vaccine is expected to arrive in Hungary. As vaccine availability increases, the number of people vaccinated rises as well. In hospitals, frontline workers such as staff working in the COVID-19 and intensive care units are the first to get vaccinated, but general practitioners and paramedics will also receive vaccines from the current shipment. Hungary will receive a total of 4.4 million doses of Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, but another vaccines are also awaiting approval. Hungary has contracted 17.5 million doses of vaccines from various manufacturers. The number of coronavirus infections in Hungary continued to rise. According to data on Wednesday morning, almost 2,000 tests confirmed positive in one day. 137 COVID-19 patients, generally elderly and suffering from an underlying illness, died over the past 24 hours, bringing the death toll to over 9,400. Meanwhile, more and more people have recovered, so the number of active infections is constantly decreasing. Currently, more than 6,100 coronavirus patients are hospitalized, 425 of whom are on ventilators. The police continue to monitor compliance with epidemiological regulations with high priority. The police officers have had to take action more than 18,000 times against violators of curfew restrictions and in almost 17,000 cases for violating mask-wearing rules. Another wage subsidy will be given to companies engaged in research, development and innovation. A similar program was already launched in the spring, but a new program kicking off next January will help create new jobs as well. In the meantime, negotiations are ongoing on next year's minimum wage and guaranteed wage minimum. However, an agreement is only likely to be reached in mid-January because the employers and employees have not reached an agreement yet. The Hungarian Radio Symphony Orchestra and the Liszt Ferenc Academy of Music will greet the new year with a joint concert on the 1st of January again. With the aim of creating a tradition, the cooperation started last year with a collaboration of the National Public Service Television, the Hungarian Radio Art Groups and the Music Academy. This year again, the organizers are preparing a performance with a special atmosphere. Those interested can listen to the concert on Bartok Radio and on M5 channel. That's all for now, but I'll be back tomorrow night at around the same time, and you can catch Hungary reports online as well. Please stay tuned for our German, Russian and Chinese language news, and remember to wear your mask and keep a safe distance, especially if you're visiting family in the upcoming days. Happy holidays, take care, good night.